Compact, without compromise, ROG Falchion NX is a 65% form factor wireless mechanical keyboard designed to change the way you play. Interactive touch panel and innovative two-way cover case, plus it's the first ROG keyboard with wireless Aura Sync RGB lighting. 65% form factor gaming keyboard. A compact keyboard without compromise, masterfully incorporating arrow and navigation keys into a 65% keyboard layout. And at just 306 mm in length, ROG Falchion NX is almost the same size as a 60% keyboard. It gives you all the functions of a normal keyboard without taking up much desktop space. Dual mode connectivity, 450 HOUR battery life, a near zero latency 2.4 GHz RF connection and up to 450 hours of battery life deliver the stability and longevity gamers need for the ultimate gaming experiences. It can also be used in wired USB mode. Durable PBT double-shot keycaps. ROG PBT double-shot keycaps provide a unique and premium feel, as well as long-lasting durability. Optimized with mid-height keycaps, a shorter stem reduces key wobble for a more comfortable user experience. Polycarbonate keyboard cover. The transparent polycarbonate keyboard cover provides superb protection when you're storing or taking ROG Falchion NX to LAN parties. The cover can also be placed under the keyboard when in use, to give the underside RGB lighting a diffused look. Top reviews from the United States. It's good. Very good key setup. I love having arrow keys on a 60% form. The battery life is insanely long. I really like the sound from the blues. It's not as high-pitched or pingy as others I have used. More of a hollow sound, if that makes any sense.